Most kids these days, honestly, they start so early. I was at a tournament in India a few months ago, and there's this guy who's like a 1600 rated player, and he's 3 years old. And like I'm seeing the games, like they're actually decent. And yeah, now there's this one kid from